Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Dr. Sulochana Khogre and today we are diving into a topic which is crucial for all of us, that is hair loss. If you are worried about the excessive hair fall or the thinning hair, then this is just the video that you need. And guess what? The solution might already be there in your kitchen. Today I am going to share about the 5 amazing foods that not just stop the hair fall but also promote the strong and healthy hair growth. Let's get started. Before we begin, drop a comment about any hair problems that you might be suffering and we'll do our best to help you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. First up is Amla, also known as Indian Gooseberry. Amla is packed with vitamin C, which is necessary for the collagen production. According to a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, Amla has potent antioxidant properties which protect the hair follicles from the oxidative stress, which is a main reason for the hair loss. By boosting the collagen, Amla keeps your scalp healthy and strengthens the hair follicles to promote the hair growth. You can add Amla in your diet as a juice, powder or chutney. Applying Amla oil directly to your scalp can also nourish the hair roots and strengthen the hair follicles. The second hair loss fighting food is methi or fenugreek. Fenugreek is rich in iron and protein, which is essential for the hair growth. According to a study, it is found that fenugreek seeds are effective in preventing the hair loss because of the high nicotinic acid content and high protein content. This helps in strengthening the hair follicles and thus it reduces the hair thinning as well. You can soak the methi seeds overnight and eat them in the morning, or you can make a paste and directly apply it to the scalp. This will not only strengthen your hair but it will also add a shine to your hair. The third superfood to stop hair loss is spinach or palak. Spinach is loaded with iron, vitamin A, vitamin C and folate, all of which are necessary for the healthy hair growth. According to a research published in the Journal of American Academy of Dermatology, iron deficiency anemia can be a common reason for hair loss, especially in the women. By adding spinach in your diet, you can combat this iron deficiency and stop the hair loss. Include spinach in your diet as a simple curry or smoothie or salads. This will not just strengthen your hair but it is also very good for your overall health. The fourth food that can prevent the hair loss is nuts like almonds or the walnuts. Nuts are loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E and biotin, all of which are vital for the healthy hair. According to a study, it is found that vitamin E and biotin improve the hair health as well as stop the hair loss. These nutrients help in nourishing the scalp, strengthening the hair follicles and even preventing the premature graying of hair. Include handful of the nuts in your daily diet as a snack, or you can just add them to the smoothies, salads, the curries or the desserts. Just a small serving of nuts every day can make a big difference to your hair health. The final superfood to combat the hair loss is yogurt. Yogurt is rich in probiotics which helps in promoting the gut health, which indirectly leads to the betterment in the hair growth. It is also full of protein and vitamins that help in nourishing your hair and promoting the growth of hair. According to a study, protein in the yogurt can help in repairing the damaged hair and preventing the hair loss. Make yogurt a part of your daily diet. Regular intake of yogurt can make your hair stronger, shinier and healthier. You can also use it as a hair mask for that extra boost. So these are the 5 amazing foods that can help in stopping the hair loss. By adding these 5 foods in your daily diet, you can naturally strengthen your hair and improve the health of your hair, thus leading to stopping of the hair loss. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like it. And if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos. If you are looking for any hair care tips, then check out my other videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.